Hi ladies. Hey guys, welcome to Beginner's Barbecue. I'm Ben Harding and I have no idea what I'm doing. But today we're going to talk about what I learned from my first experience cold smoking cheese on my OK Joe Highland. You can get all the details from that video, which I will tag or link somewhere if I can figure that out. But for a quick recap, I had a few different kinds of cheese, and there was some conflicting information about how long I should smoke it, how long I should let it rest, that kind of thing. And so I decided to cut each type of cheese in half, and I smoked some for 2 hours and some for 4 hours. And then the plan was that I was going to let it rest for 1 week and then taste and see what happened. Well, it just so happened that about a day after that video was shot, I got COVID. And so I was kind of out of sorts for a little while, but now I'm back. And so we can talk about how things went. So fast forward to the results. The cheese was a big hit. It was all delicious, but I did 2 separate taste tests. One with my kids and my wife, and then I took some to a friend's party as well for other folks to try out. And the results were unanimous. All the cheese was good. All the 4-hour cheeses were better than all the 2-hour cheeses. But the pick of the litter was the white, extra sharp cheddar smoked for 4 hours. It was a fantastic texture. It had a beautiful smoke flavor. It was just brilliant. And so, of course, as soon as I was done with that, I thought, I have to do this again. And so actually, I have done now a second round of smoking cheese. This time, we did sharp white cheddar that has been aged for 12 months, and I smoked it for 4 hours. And actually, I will be unwrapping that for consumption in a couple of days here to celebrate our anniversary. I believe that covers everything that I needed to update you on, so I hope you enjoy these next few slow-mo shots of the cheese that after it was unwrapped so that we could eat it. It was fantastic, and I highly recommend doing it if you have the opportunity. And you could even do it in whatever kind of grill you have, as long as you have a smoke tube. So good luck, and I hope you smoke some cheese because of this. This was awesome.